Ready to learn chess or improve your game? Look no further than Chess Made Fun's virtual classroom. Through video conferencing and a virtual chessboard, we will take your game to the next level. Whether you choose private or group lessons, you'll have access to these features and more. Hey Brian, we're learning about double attacks today. So, a double attack is when you can move a piece and attack two pieces at the same time safely without being captured. So, on this board right now, if you're playing white, what piece can you move to attack two pieces at the same time without being captured? You got it right.